Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create contact lists in Zoho CRM. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So creating contact lists in Zoho CRM primarily refers to managing and segmenting your contacts within the contacts module of Zoho CRM, or more specifically managing mailing lists within Zoho campaigns, which often integrates with Zoho CRM. So first of all, you need to go and tap open Zoho. Once you are in your Zoho CRM login, you need to navigate to the contacts as well. So once you're in your contacts, you need to create a new view or filter. Once you have created this, you need to create a simple mailing list in Zoho campaign integrated with Zoho CRM. So after you have done this, you need to add contacts to the list manually or from import and sign up forms. You can also sync it with the CRM application and you can simply view it. So this is how you can create contact lists in Zoho CRM. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.